Hello my friend, here comes it's a very beautiful lady's watch. Now let's have a look at more details. Let's have a look at the silver one. It is a diamond core watch for ladies. And we can see here it's around the bezels. We can see there are so many crystal diamonds. Can see that? And about the dial, we can see it is made of the shark. And about the index, we have 4 bigger diamonds, crystal diamonds, to make into the 12 o'clock, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock. And this is very simple design. There are only 3 hands, and the hour, minutes, and the second hands. And also, we can see on the 6 o'clock positions, it is a calendar. And here is our brand logo, NAVIFORCE. Let's have a look at the back cover. Here we can see the back cover. We can see the model number. It's NF5005L. And this case we made of a UFO plane. And about the thread, we use the minimalist thread. It's very soft and very popular this year's recently years. And have a look here. I put it on my hand. Very nice, isn't it? And fits very well on your wrist. Okay, let's have more colors. Here is the purple one. It's a very special color. The dial and the strap is purple, and the case is the golden. Rose gold? Golden. Yeah. Around the bezel is the diamond, but it's crystal diamond. And also the 4 crystal diamond make into the index. Here 4. This is a very special color. Do you like it? And another color is a blue one. A blue color. Also the strap and the dial, it's made of blue color. And the next one is the rose gold. Rose gold color is the most popular, I think, because we sell it the best. Rose gold combine the white dial. because this color white is very easy to match with a different color clothes, a dress, skirt, a t-shirt, or whatever you want to match with. A very fashionable color. Okay, here is the 4 color. Which ones do you like the best? The purple one is my favorite. How do you think about it?